DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. These are the coolest flowers. They follow the sun. Like the sun's over there. Well, you can see their shadow. See? They always follow the sun. All day long they'll be turning. They'll turn, follow the sun all day long. And at night they close up like this. Maybe that's a baby, I don't know. That's some kind of bug in there. But aren't they cool? There's some more of them right there. Some more. Look at them all. They just follow the sun. So cool. There's a whole bunch in one spot. They're all over. My dogs are running around looking for rabbits. Bunch right there, I like that. Follow the sun, baby. Here's something you don't want to run into. It's called cholla, jumping cactus, because it seems like it jumps at you. Yeah, that'll put the hurt on you. Is there only one around here? Well, there's one over there maybe. It'll put a hurt on you. Oh my God, these things are razor needle sharp. Sometimes you can pull the cover off. But you're taking chances. They do have nice flowers. Let's see if they come out. I'll take a picture of them. This is verbena. It's mostly purple. Every once in a while you find purple. I mean white. This is the only patch here. It's not native to this area. But we brought it in here one time. Cool. I don't know what kind this is. This is a different kind. Some more of those sunflower. You can tell by the shadow that they are, you know, pretty much pointing at the sun. There's no real shadow. The shadow is. Here's a low camera angle of a big bush. Play around with that. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, This is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. Um, and it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.